Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we will discuss about the regulation of gene expression. The how a gene express themselves. Of course, as you know that a gene express themselves by regulating the synthesis of protein. That protein may be enzyme, hormone, or particular structure of protein. So here gene expression is regulated on different level in the eukaryotic cell, like in the transcriptional level, that first gene undergo transcription, then produce primary transcript like hnRNA, and that hnRNA contain exon and intron. So intron are untranslated region. So it undergoes second processing level. The processing means the regulation of splicing, capping and tailing. Now the third, when after processing mature mRNA develop, then it moves from nucleus to cytoplasm. Then the last one, the translation level. At this level in the cytoplasm, in the presence of ribosome and enzymes, as well as in the presence of tRNA, the synthesis of protein takes place. So here you can say the gene expressed in a cell to perform particular function or a set of function by expressing the synthesis of polypeptide protein. If you will see a bacterial cell, suppose in a bacterial cell like E. coli, a gene responsible for synthesis of beta-galactosidase, and this enzyme hydrolyzes the lactose sugar into glucose and galactose. Suppose in a medium, if lactose sugar is present, then the bacteria needs the enzyme beta-galactose for digestion of glucose and lactose into glucose and galactose. So if lactose is present, then gene becomes on, beta-galactosidase is synthesized, then it hydrolyzes the lactose into glucose and galactose. As the lactose hydrolyzed completely, then the gene becomes off. Or you can say if lactose is not available in the medium, then the beta-galactosidase enzyme will not synthesize to maintain the economy of the cell. So here in the prokaryotic cell, the rate of transcriptional initiation in the site for control of gene expression activity of RNA polymerase at given promoter is in turn regulated by the interaction with accessory protein. Means on the operon there is a regulator gene that express the synthesis of repressor protein, and that protein bind with operator, then it control the promoter, and promoter bind with RNA polymerase for transcription. So with the help of accessory protein, the promoter is regulated, then it will regulate the RNA polymerase for the transcription of mRNA. So here we can see the gene transcript primary means heterogeneous RNA. It contains exon and intron, and intron is untranslated region, and this untranslated region is removed out by splicing. So all exon unite, and here capping and tailing, then mature mRNA develop, and it comes from cytoplasm into nucleus into cytoplasm, then translation of polypeptide protein takes place. Means this DNA, when it synthesize, regulate the synthesis of protein, then it is expressing themselves. Means all this process takes place during the expression. If any one process will not take place, then this DNA or gene is unable to express themselves. In the next point you can see here the hnRNA contain exon. So all the intron are removed out by splicing, and then the exon are going to add, then capping and tailing, then form mature mRNA, and mature mRNA comes into cytoplasm, then translation takes place. So here we can say in detail, in the nucleus DNA, then undergo transcription, hnRNA, exon is present, intron is removed out, then capping and tailing means splicing means intron are removed out. This is intron, then all the exon unite to form in a order, it form the mature mRNA after capping and tailing. Then now it comes into cytoplasm, and then with the help of ribosome, tRNA, now the synthesis of polypeptide protein takes place. In next step we can say here the same thing just in other way. In the eukaryotic cell here, the chromosome is the DNA undergo transcription, form immature mRNA, then mature means heterogeneous RNA. Now intron are removed out by splicing, then capping and tailing occur, then mature mRNA comes into cytoplasm, then translation occurs. In this process protein is being synthesized, means gene express themselves. So if any problem occurs in this level, transcription level, processing level, translation level, then this gene is unable to express themselves. If everything is okay, then this gene can express themselves by regulating the synthesis of protein. Thank you very much.